Welcome, today I am in E63S AMG and I will show you how you can change display brightness. So at first we have to open the settings. When you are here in the lights, we have to switch to the system, then tap on the styles and the display. As you can see, the display brightness we can change in displays. So we have to move this slider like that, and as you can see, that's how it works. I'm going to set it up on the highest brightness level. After that you can just go back. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.